New customer portal. We are building a new customer portal that's heavily branded. You can brand it, make it look however you want. Now, I want to tell a little story before I get into the portal. Here's what I've learned, right? I visited this partner in Englewood Cliffs, New Jersey, network doctor, and one thing I found fascinating was they're wildly successful with as a service, growing rapidly. And I'm trying to figure out what is it they do that's different than anybody else, and they're really focused on justifying their existence to the customer. And our advisory council has been talking about this too. So this is a thing that people got to start doing. Justify your existence. And David at Network Doctor says, here's how I justify my existence. I show them the network maps and all the documentation we do for them. We give them access to a dashboard that shows all the service we're doing with them and their uptime and everything they're getting. And then I also let them remote control their own machines from a portal if they want to. And I thought, man, that is really great. And then now when he sends the $10,000 bill to the customer, they can see, what is he doing for me? He's justifying his existence with that customer through this. So I want the portal to be your justifying your existence. We want the portal to be your way to deliver a customer experience, a way to find customer success. So we're giving you a highly branded portal. This is in pilot right now with a few select partners. It's coming out in January. If you stop by the booth, ask them about it. So a new portal is heavily branded. They could come in, work tickets, see their tickets there. They can do invoicing, pay invoicing. This is Connect Booster, a great partner in our ecosystem that we've been working with. I know a lot of partners use Connect Booster for automatic payments. They've helped us in this pilot, doing some great work there. We won't forget about PayPal. But a new portal. And then this portal is flexible. All these pods have APIs. We're going to allow everything to come in here. If you're working with WebRoot and you want to put a WebRoot dashboard in here to show the customer, here's what's going on with your security, you can do that. You want to put control in here so they can remote control their computers from anywhere, you could do that. This is going to be a highly flexible portal that you can fully customize and deliver your own unique customer experience. Oh, one thing on that portal, I know what you're thinking. How is my customer ever going to remember the password to that? I've been there. It'll have single sign-on if you want to connect it to their Active Directory so they can just click and they go in. Okay, we're putting that in there too. What else have we done? We have single sign-on. The whole platform has single sign-on for you. This is rolling out right now. Right? We've created our own identity provider on our platform where you can come in, configure an identity, and then associate it to the multiple products in the platform. And we're going to bring the ecosystem in there, so you only have to log into one thing to get to all the tools to support your customer. And it has multi-factor authentication. And not too long from now, right? This is going out now, but our next iteration of this, early 2019, we'll hook it into Azure Active Directory and regular Active Directory so you can use that. So single sign-on. All right, you asked for it, we delivered, and the portal. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, what else? A new way of using the platform, a user-centric view of how you do your job. Right? Traditionally, the platform is set up in a way that's very functional, the way you do your business, right? Sales, marketing, finance, all the things. Now, and then you had to find your way to do your job. Now we're going to present your job to you. So in Q1 of 2019, these dashboards are going to start rolling out. They're very interactive. If it's important to you to see your schedule and interact with your schedule and work on tickets, there'll be a new ticket screen here, but you can still go back to the classic view, right? Like Windows 95 when we had that. How many people, as soon as you got the new Windows, you're like, classic view, where'd it go? But this will be our new one on top of the existing one. So if you're like, I love that ticket, don't take that, you can still do it. So a new way of looking, very interactive. Oh, how many quotes? 91, click, you can interact with those 91 real easy, right? A new way of looking at your customers. Because we understand as a service, we're going to build these metrics into here so you can look and see how much did it cost to acquire this customer, what's their lifetime value, what's important. And single sign-on, you can get around to all the other apps in the application here too. Okay, this is going to start rolling out. We are heavily in development of this right now. January, February time. And then the marketplace. You can't do as a service efficiently unless you have everything connected in one place, right? We're connecting the platform. We want to connect everything else in the ecosystem. So all the solutions you're providing to your customers, like Acronis, Webroot, StorageCraft, InfraScale, and so on. We're going to put this right inside the platform where you do your job, where you provide as a service to your customers. You can click and buy these solutions very easily. And since it's in Manage, we'll automatically map it to the customer and we'll automatically sync it to the agreement so you can build them. Because I talked about, there's going to be high transactions going on here in the as a service world, and we want it to just be click, 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 done. Right, so very simple to use. Our new marketplace, excited that that's coming out.